What's going on, guys? What's up? Welcome back to another video. So if you've been on Facebook or on social media at all, you've seen pictures of these heavy-duty trucks with the frames broken. This one right here just broke with a camper on it, and it's going to cost the guys $17,000 to get it fixed. So yes, it happened to a Dodge, and everybody's making fun of Dodge for it. But unfortunately, if we look at this picture here, even though I am a diehard Ford fan, it does happen to Fords as well. So what causes cracked frames, and how can you prevent them? Because no one wants to foot a $17,000 bill. So the first thing we have to understand is payload. While this truck right here had the camper on it, it's rated for about 5,400 pounds of payload capacity. And while the camper that's on this truck is only about 4,700 pounds, you have to consider till you put water with your bags, your luggage, everything else. We're going to be all total about 6,000 pounds with this camper. So while the camper itself was not over the truck's weight limit, the all the accessories put it over, even though it is a 3,500. And the other thing you have to consider is look at how much space is hanging off the back of this truck. It's kind of the worst place because like you're putting all that weight behind the rear wheels. So not completely surprising it cracked. Then we have this picture here because it happened a couple times. This picture here, they're putting 2 pallets of shingles on this Dodge Dually here. And we have to consider that a pallet of shingles is about 3,000 pounds. So if we multiply that by 2, it's 6,000 pounds in shingles. Also consider that a steel flatbed is going to be heavier than your normal traditional bed. This truck is also way over payload capacity. So if you do not want to break your frame of your truck, maybe don't overload it quite so much. That's my personal opinion. That's how you can avoid ending up with a $17,000 repair bill. So anyway, if you choose to overload your truck, don't be surprised when the manufacturer voids its warranty. Simple as that, right? So if you see any more pictures of these, please tag me in them because it's always fun. So yeah, thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. Bye.